Now, first of all, you see on the back of the key where the Audi symbol is, there's a little thing that looks like you should be sticking a screwdriver in. Only use that as a last resort. Normally, if you just put pressure on the key like so and pull using a wiggling motion, that comes away. If you do have to use it, sometimes they get full of, if they've been in your pocket for years like this one, they get full of rubbish. I would get a tiny screwdriver and just turn it there. Don't press, just in there and turn. That'll separate it. If you press, you'll end up sticking the screwdriver through your hand. So pull that apart, then this flips off. You can usually do that with your thumb. If not, you need a pound coin, just flip it off. The battery's in there. When you flip this off, be careful of that. That's the contact that goes onto the circuit board. If you're not careful, you get the edge caught underneath those little lugs and you end up either breaking them or bending them out of shape. So be careful when you're doing that. Flip the battery out like so. That battery is a CR 2032. So back in. Oops. So that goes on there. That goes back on there. Clip on, make sure it's clipped in both sides. The back there with a little groove goes in there, slides in, that's it done.